Hello guys, today I'm here to tell you about the Incognito mod in YouTube. I think you know what is the Incognito mod. It is the mod for browsers which do not save the history, but keep in your mind, the admins can search for your history, or software engineers and others can search for your history. So let's see what is Incognito mod in YouTube. Let's see what is actually Incognito mod is. So this Incognito mod is like from when we are searching from the desktop or your PC, it's like this on the browser. So you can open this Incognito mod by any software, any browser like Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge and other stuff. So it depends on you. So when you consider about the YouTube app, I think you know when we are searching on YouTube, it saves your history. When you search in the search engine, it shows the previous searches, and in the settings, in history settings, you can see the history. So to prevent this, the Google company or the YouTube company has given a version. This version is 13.2556 or 13.25.56 is the version of YouTube for latest Android and Apple phones. So you can update this on your Apple phone and on your Android phone also. So let's see how it works. So when we going up and down, or when we click our that's the Incognito mod. So when we search on it, so let's see how it works. I search sirens. I will now close the app and let's see what will be. See that? It didn't give history. So normally when you tap in the normal YouTube application, in the normal search engine, you will get the history. So Incognito mod prevent. So I think you enjoyed my video. So thank you for watching my video. With many episodes, we will be in your home and in your everywhere. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon, and you will get our notification when we upload the video. So goodbye, peace out. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye.